Hi, my name is Parameshwar and my today's topic is gender pay gap in India. According to the latest World Economic Forum's Global Gender Gap Report, India ranked 112th position out of 153 countries on the Gender Gap Index. The global list was topped by Iceland for the 10th consecutive years, having closed more than 85.8% of the overall gender gap. While India fared better in terms of wage equality for similar work indicators, on which it ranked at 72nd position, it ranked 142nd position in the economic opportunity and participation sub-index. This dichotomy can be explained by the difference between unequal pay and the gender pay gap. So what exactly is unequal pay? Unequal pay refers to the situation where women are paid less than men for doing the same work. To counter this, equal pay can be legally enforced in most organized sectors. So what is the gender pay gap? While gender pay gap is essentially the average difference between the salary received by working men and women, there is more nuance here. There are two distinct numbers. One is the unadjusted pay gap and the adjusted pay gap. The former simply difference is a simple difference between the mean and average wages of two gender, and later takes into account the difference in the factors such as occupation, education, and job experience, etc. So the difference is starker if you consider the unadjusted pay gap. Often cited number in this context is the unadjusted pay gap of average female employee in US, which is supposed to be 78% of the average male salary, whereas the adjusted figure is 80 to 98%. The gender pay gap stems from the difference in the number of men versus women who work. It also arises from the difference in the work tenure and need for sabbaticals. What contributes to the gender pay gap in India? In a country like India, the reason for gender pay gap are little more complicated and can be linked to reasons ranging from the socio-economic to structural causes. Girl children are sometimes kept out of school, are made to drop out of school early. Even if they are educated, many women are not allowed to work by their families. Women who do join the workforce often need to take extended leaves for maternity and childcare, and even in certain cases, even to take care of their family members. All these factors lead up to women as a whole failing well behind men when it comes to earning over their time. In India, therefore, the gender pay gap is still quite wide. According to the Monster Salary Index published last year, women in the country earn 19% less than men. The survey revealed that the median gross hourly salary for men is 240 rupees per hour, and while for women is 196 rupees, meaning men earn 46 rupees more than women per hour. According to the survey, the gender pay gap span across key industries, IT service showed a sharp pay gap of 26% in favor of men, while in manufacturing sector, men earn 24% more than women. However, this is only the tip of the iceberg across unorganized sector, and especially in areas like agriculture, women are routinely paid significantly less than men, citing difference like capabilities. Till India's social economic stigma against women in workforce and general environment of social justice against women is not tackled, the gender pay gap might not show any signs of closing. Some of the steps which organized sector can take in order to improve the gender pay gap are the organization can be a bit more inclusive. The ways to ensure is to conduct periodic individual salary correction where whenever there is an outlier, and conduct continued market analysis to ensure wage parity, check for unconscious bias in increment during appraisal cycle, conduct role-wise salary benchmarks, and conducting internal regression analysis to identify and attain internal parity across grades. Have diversity background dashboards that capture gender inequality at a rating level and correct inequalities at every level. Ensure wage parity right from the offer level. So these are some of the steps which organization in organized sector can take to improve gender pay gap. Thank you.